How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Solana update, and this is the final support. This has to bounce, and it's funny that we haven't done so yet. In fact, we've already tapped into this. Got a short-term bounce. This is when there was news, fundamental side of things, where there was announcement it would be part of a strategic reserve. Then, following days, backtracked into a sovereign wealth fund, and that they're not actually looking to accumulate any further. If they're holding any on their balance sheet, in fact, they will look to sell, and they're never going to accumulate, at least as of now. So those coins that were mentioned got this very significant move up. It was just to test this previous support as resistance. And in fact, when we were down here, I was exactly warning of this pretty much exact situation, that a move up to there is going to make people FOMO, and it's not good enough. It's a trap once again. You need to see all moving averages reclaimed, the neckline of the double top, as well as 203 and 209. That would then initiate a further move up. So you can argue that the market flips bullish above this level, but that would then suggest a further move up into 240 to 260. But from there, market can come back down and lose that key level and head all the way to a new low, in fact. So of course can high low, but there are situations and scenarios in the past you can see the market had bottomed out, came all the way to the 886 fib, and still went to new lows. That's like Solana pumping to 260 to here and still going under 112. That would be insane. But as you can see with the last bounce, it doesn't need to pump as high as the 886 to just keep rolling over into new lows. It just pumped into the very first Fibonacci, the 0.5, as well as the neckline of the pattern itself. And then, of course, went into new lows, invalidating that whole move up. And if you remember watching my updates from here, it had to bounce from here and recover all the levels, because by failing and confirming its resistance is giving a higher likelihood that this will eventually give in and validate an even larger macro double top. I will be here to update it as it develops, but even if we see another bounce like this, it's still not good enough, guys. We just return. We need to see a bounce that recovers $209, and then we can start well, at that point, a lot of bearish scenarios start to get invalidated, although not all. So you can argue that it is bullish at that point. But ultimately, for me, I need to see 260 broken. That is it from me today. On your way out, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Help bump the algorithm so we can reach 10K. If you want to get educated, join in on my weekly group workshops in the Discord community, on top of all the extra content, whether it's extra videos or just extra analysis on anything that you want specifically. I'll catch you over there. Links down below. Cheers.